The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. I'm going to show you how to drape a circle skirt. Piece of muslin, 18 inches across by 24 inches in length. The length of the skirt actually doesn't really matter. It's up to you, the length of the skirt. But let's start with a 18 by 24 piece of muslin. From the edge of the muslin, from the selvage, come in 1 inch, grain line. From the top of the muslin, measure 6 inches. Unlike 2 inches in the previous skirt, let's come down 6 inches and put a little cross mark. And that will be our waistline, okay? Next, I want you to measure on your waistline, measure 1.5 inches, about 1.5 inches. So take your tape measure or your ruler and measure 1.5 inches is right there. Okay, 1.5. And we're going to put a pin right at that 1.5 mark. Now watch this. This is when the magic happens. I'm just going to release this pin here. From the top of the muslin, I'm going to slash the muslin down to that pin, like this. Okay, this, we can get rid of this. So, watch this. From the top, slash down to that pin cross mark. And from that pin cross mark, now watch, I'm going to shift the muslin in this direction so that from that pin cross mark, I'm creating a flare. See that? That's a flare right there. So, slash and pivot. You're going to pin, slash, and pivot. And I'll do the same thing one more time. I'm going to measure 1.5 inches, right there. Okay, put a pin at that 1.5 inch cross mark. And once again, from the top of the muslin, slash down to that cross mark. Okay, let's get rid of this. And again, we're going to create another flare from that pin cross mark. Just like that. So now we have 2 flares. So you get the idea? Again, pin, slash, pivot your muslin to create a flare. So here's flare number 1. Number 2, we'll do it one more time. Slash your muslin from the top to that pin cross mark right there. Let's get rid of this. And once again, shift your muslin to create another flare. So, look what's happening here. We have 1, 2, 3 flares. Okay, until you get to the side seam, we're going to keep that nice and flat. And we're going to just mark your side seam and mark your waistline all the way across. The last thing we're going to do is to create the hemline, the length of the skirt. So I'm going to lift my form, and again, the length is up to you. I'm going to use the bottom of the form right here as the length of the skirt. So I'm going to take my pencil or marker and come across and mark the length of the skirt following the form all the way around. And if you want to just get rid of some of the extra fabric, then it's a matter of connecting the dots, literally, to create a smooth circular shape and that becomes your circle skirt. Ta-da! Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.